Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you are using PayPal to receive international currency as well as receiving it from different countries, today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your PayPal personal account as well as your business account to get it done. So let's dive in. What we ultimately need to understand here is that there are a few options in terms of receiving money from other countries on PayPal. So if you're on your personal account, what you need to go ahead and do is go and click on send and request. Now within send and request, you can literally request money from other countries. So go ahead and click on request, and you're going to add username, email, mobile phone number, whatever is attached to who you want to receive money from. Now you can do this in multiples of 20 at a time. So you're going to just list whoever you want to receive money from, and then you'll be able to add the amount. The next thing over here is to create an invoice. So here you can actually create an invoice and receive money in an invoice form. So you can send this invoice to whoever you need to send it to with all of these details. You can even create these as templates, and then you can save them and then reuse them multiple times. Okay, so this is now if you have a personal account. If you do have a business account, I'm going to show you what it may look like. So this is the interface on a PayPal business account. So you've got a couple options on the left hand side over here, but what we're looking for is your profile picture top right. Click on that. What you want to go and look for is account settings. Now once you go into account settings, this may look different depending on what region you're in, what version of PayPal you're using. If you're using the app, if you're using the web browser, it'll all look different. So essentially you can go either through here, or you can have a look for your business tools or personalized tools. Okay, and whichever way you go in, you're going to ultimately be looking for payment preferences. So even if you Google PayPal payment preferences, it'll take you to a page where you can sign in, and you'll find yourself right here on this page. Now here, the blocked payments, limit payments, add instructions, and a whole bunch more. Click on update on the right hand side, and here you will find this page. This is preferences for receiving payments. So allow payments sent to me in a currency I do not hold. So this means if somebody's sending you a currency, let's say in euros or pounds, and you don't actually hold any of that currency, you will allow this. So you can either say yes, accept and convert them to US dollars immediately. This will come with an additional charge. You can also say no, but that's not the point of this video. What we're looking for is asking me whether to accept or deny each individual payment. So either one of these will be best option. You can also block accidental payments. You can block the following payments, so any payments with e-check transfers for all website payments except for eBay. Also, you can display add instructions to seller, and then you can have an input field, and then you can also block payments from particular users. So here is where you will actually define this. It's this very first section over here. Ultimately, what will happen is when you receive your payment, you will either be prompted to accept or deny each one of those payments, or automatically it'll be converted into US dollars onto your account. And you can also go into your homepage, whether it's on your business account or on your personal account. You will be able to actually go and change the currencies that you accept as well. So depending on what your preferences are, you can change all of that. I hope this was helpful.